It is Saturday, May 20th, 10 o'clock a.m. We about to go fishing. It's really nice out here. We out here fishing. Rachel came along. Still haven't caught anything, but we got a few bites.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
What did you just catch, Rachel?
A fish!
Ew!
Yeah.
She caught a dead fish, guys.
It's not?
Someone threw it in. It's dead, but like someone threw it in, I guess. Oh, that is disgusting.
I thought it was really heavy. Oh my gosh.
Yes! Woo! Go, Rachel! She caught a fish! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! She caught a fish!
Woo! I'm not touching.
Big one.
Ah, it's so strong.
Come on, come on, come on.
Ah!
Man, if only my
You
dad
need
was here.
that.
Your mom is here!
Mom, I caught a fish.
Caught a fish!
Well, wear him out a little bit.
We just caught another fish on my dad's line, but he left. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. He needs to come down here right now and help us. I'm holding this fish right here. This is crazy. That is gross. A lot of blood.
Jason, can you hold this right here?
I don't think he wants to
Just
hold
hold.
it.
Oh, too dirty. Yes.
We got Sieta over there cleaning the fish. Oh, those guts, that is so disgusting. Mom brought us some hot dogs. Thank you, Mom. We got some pieces of fish. Ajay Ruslan came back. They caught 2 fish.
One is still alive.
He took the eyes out of the fish. That is so disgusting.
Out of my eye.
Hey guys, don't mind my hair. It's like really messy right now. So we took a break from fishing because it started raining, and now we're gonna go to this like little shop and buy like some ice cream or
and
candy or something. But yeah,
I caught 2 fish.
good job.
One was dead.
No,
I think
you
you guys
caught
just-
3 fish
I
and
caught
one
one
was
was
dead.
dead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah,
You'll
as
see-
you saw in the
yeah.
footage earlier, yeah.
It was really fun. So yeah.
He got a fish. Another one. Wow.
It's always when your dad is gone.
I know, every time my dad leaves,
Got it.
a fish gets caught.
I got by a treble hook and Dang.
It's 3:04 and we are heading to the fishing tournament. Well, I mean, there's a lot of people there already. They're like bringing their fish in. Yeah,
I'm way too short.
So everyone is like picking up their boats and like, I guess bringing their fish in. But yeah, I'll show you some footage of that too. Everyone's picking up their boats now. Bruh. They're gonna be weighing the fish soon. We're walking to the place where they're like weighing the fish.
Oh yeah, he's over there.
Yep, I see my dad now.
9.72 pounds.
Wow, that's a lot. I just caught a new fish.
It won't come in.
Are
It's
you
so
serious?
strong,
Don't
yeah.
pull too much, it'll rip the line. Just like slowly tire it out. Dang, Rachel, you're on a roll. What time is it? It's like 5, right?
I don't know. Yeah, it's 5.
It's like around 5 o'clock. So Rachel did not end up catching that fish. It actually fell off the hook, sadly, because we've been sitting here for a while.
Huge.
Yeah, it was a huge fish. Sadly, we lost it. But you know what? Keep on trying.
I know, we've been here for like hours.
It's true.
Just kidding. And then I was literally, it took me like, it was like 2 minutes I was pulling it in. And I couldn't get it. It was too strong. So, wish us luck.
Yep, wish us luck. Rachel just caught this fish. Good job, Rachel. Finally. High five, camera.
Send it to Papa. Woo. We're still.
It's 7 o'clock. We've been fishing like the whole day. Like we took breaks, but she caught 3 fish today, and I caught 0. I'm like, I'm done. I'm tired. Oh my gosh, that face. I'm tired and like, I just want to sleep. Yeah, but we're gonna have like a bonfire later and stuff, so I'll vlog that. It's a bonfire right now. Dada Ruslan cooking shashlik. You know what it is. Hey, Rachel. It is so nice outside. We out here cooking marshmallows. Oh my gosh, those faces she makes. Oh, mine's getting brown.
Mine ain't.
About to make some s'mores. What did you know? My marshmallow.
It's still edible.
Look at this little cutie. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, she's the cutest little dog. I'm still standing. How is it funny? Yeah.
These little kids though. Hey guys, sorry that we did not vlog as much during the night, but it's already like 9:50 and yeah, we're probably gonna go to sleep soon because we're getting tired, but I will vlog more tomorrow, so see you tomorrow. Bye, good night. Good morning guys, it is May 21st, 2017. It's around like 10?
No, it's like 9:30.
9:30?
I don't know.
I'll put the time later. Yeah, but just got ready, walking outside now. Not really sure what I'm gonna do today, but today
We're gonna go fishing again.
Yeah, today is the last day here, so we're gonna be also packing up and leaving to go back home. Sad. We out here making waffles for breakfast. Yum. Rachel's over here watching my old vlogs. What's up guys, it's 12:11. I kind of came here to fish by myself, but I'm waiting for Rachel, my dad, and my uncle to come fishing with us. Hopefully I'll be lucky and actually catch a fish that I can keep today, but yeah, we'll see.
Hello. Nicole is getting me some worms. I don't like worms. But yeah, we're fishing again today. I think she told you.
A fish heart!
I don't know if it's gonna move or not because it's, let's see,
Ew.
it was moving. It was still moving outside of the fish.
So gross.
Oh,
So Jason just caught a fish right now, and Rachel just caught one like 2 minutes ago. Go Jason! Woo!
Oh. Why fish not that big?
Oh, that's crazy.
Не поднимай.
This is Rachel's trout that she caught, and it goes. It looks dead. Oh,
Все, уходит.
did it die?
I guess.
No, it's alive.
Ну, вона вже дай.
Woohoo! Bye. We're about to get some ice cream. I got our mint chocolate chip ice cream, so good. Hello guys, it's 3:10 already and we are getting ready to leave because I think we had to check out by 3. So we cleaned up the place, and Caden over here is playing with trains and Kayla. But yeah, as you can see, I got sunburnt, but finally time to go home. Pretty tired and excited because I get to see my cat. But yeah.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the.
It's 8:20 and I finally arrived home, and Oreo is happy to see me. She's like purring the whole time. But yep, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a pretty fun camping trip. So yeah, bye!